Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? Let's dive deep into SPY in this video. We previously published an initial report on our website on Friday, December 22, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.16. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. SPY has experienced a gain of 9.98%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 0.28% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is experiencing a strong rising trend. This creates a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the price breaks above the top trend line at $477.33, it indicates an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, we can expect a potential 12.31% change over the next 3 months. The possible return lies between 5.06% and 13.18%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 16.25% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 3.34% and 16.74%. In other words, the price range after a year could be $489.48 to $552.93. Our latest update for the SPY ETF reveals that its price increased by 0.209% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, December 22, 2023, the price of the SPY ETF rose from $472.66 to $473.65, showing a gain of 0.209%. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.778%, reaching a low of $471.71 and a high of $475.38. It's worth noting that in the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances, accumulating an overall increase of 2.93% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the volume decreased by 15 million shares, with a total of 59 million shares being bought and sold, resulting in a transaction value of approximately $28.18 billion. It's important to consider that a decline in volume despite rising prices can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $475.89, while the lowest price was $376.42. Currently, the price stands at 0.47%, or $2.24, below the 52-week high, and 1.32%, or $6.33, below the all-time high reached on January 4, 2022, when the price peaked at $479.98. Let's take a look at the signals for SPY. The SPY ETF is showing positive signs with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $471.82 and $455.46. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning sign, so it's important to monitor the ETF closely. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been observed, which could potentially impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, resulting in a minus 0.251% decline. Further fall is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. It's interesting to note that the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet. It is often followed by long and strong gains for the ETF in question. Let's explore some other interesting signals. One signal to pay attention to is the moving average convergence-divergence, which has recently shown a buy signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger signal also showed a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 37 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 34 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 31 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for SPY. SPY, the popular ETF, has an important support level at $469.33. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as historically, when this support is tested, we often see an upward reaction in the price. Overall, SPY tends to have controlled movements and is considered a low-risk stock due to its good liquidity. In fact, its risk level is quite low. Looking at its recent performance, we can see that during the last day, SPY had a price range of $3.67 or 0.778% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, its daily average volatility has been around 0.91%. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for SPY. If SPY continues on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $474.84. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if SPY encounters a downward trend, its first support level can be found at $469.33. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, as there may be a potential rebound in the future. We recommend setting the stop-loss at $458.75, which represents a decrease of 3.15%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily fluctuations, making it a low-risk option. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good investment option? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that now could be a good time to consider buying SPY ETF. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, December 26, we anticipate that SPY ETF will open with a decrease of $0.0700, starting at $473.58. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It is always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that the information provided by StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest, where we provide you with our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.